The 2026 SSC Tuatara isn't just a hypercar, it's a weapon of speed, precision, and aerodynamic mastery. In the world of high-performance engineering, this machine is built to break records, defy limits, and redefine what it means to drive fast. At first glance, the design is futuristic and menacing. Every curve, every vent, and every line serves a purpose to slice through the air and dominate the asphalt. The Tuatara's drag coefficient, just 0.279. That's lower than most modern EVs. Under the rear hatch lies the true beast, a 5.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. It produces a jaw-dropping 1,750 horsepower when running on E85 fuel. That's not just powerful, that's otherworldly. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Top speed, an eye-watering 295 miles per hour. This makes the Tuatara one of the fastest production cars ever made, challenging the Bugatti, Chiron, Supersport, and Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute. But it's not just about speed. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis makes it extremely lightweight and stiff, improving handling and safety. Paired with active aerodynamics and a race-grade suspension system, the Tuatara offers precision at every corner. Inside, the cockpit is surprisingly refined. The layout is minimal but functional, focused purely on the driver. A central digital display gives you telemetry, performance stats, and driving modes in real time. SSC North America has engineered the Tuatara to conquer both track and street, whether you're chasing speed records or turning heads in the city. This hypercar delivers. Production is extremely limited. Only a handful of units are made, making each one a collector's gem. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of American engineering ambition. Built to leave a mark on automotive history, the 2026 SSC Tuatara proves that when innovation meets obsession, you get a machine that doesn't just move, it